Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making baby cabbage soup. Without further ado, let's get started. First, wash the baby Napa cabbage and cut it into long strips. This will help the cabbage absorb the flavors of the broth better and make it easier to eat. Then, cut the century egg into small pieces to add a unique flavor to the soup. Next, pour 20 milliliters of oil into a pot. On low heat, add 15 grams of garlic cloves and stir-fry for 1 minute. Stir-frying the garlic on low heat allows its aroma to fully develop without burning. Add 700 milliliters of bone broth. The bone broth will add a rich umami flavor to the soup. Once the broth is boiling, add the baby Napa cabbage and let it cook for a while. Then, add the century egg. The unique texture of the century egg will blend with the cabbage as it simmers. Next, add 5 grams of goji berries. The goji berries not only make the soup look more appealing, but also add nutritional value. Cook for about 3 minutes until the baby Napa cabbage becomes tender. By this time, the cabbage will have absorbed the flavors of the broth and century egg. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the taste of the soup. Pour in 30 milliliters of cornstarch slurry. The cornstarch slurry will thicken the broth slightly, helping it cling better to the ingredients. After cooking for another 30 seconds, your baby Napa cabbage and century egg soup is ready to serve. Friends, you must try our baby cabbage soup. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share.